Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. November 30 taong 2010. May isang matapang na Pinoy boxer na may pangalang Gintong Kamao Francisco ang dumayo sa lungga ng kalaban sa bansang Thailand para kasahan itong pinagmamalaki nilang pambato na si Mod Duwangpitch. Ang laban ay para sa WBA Interim World Super Flyweight title. May undefeated record ang Pinoy na si Francisco na 19 wins 0 loss, 15 dito via knockout. Habang impresibo naman ang kartada nitong Thai fighter na 53 wins only 1 defeat, 1 draw, 22 via knockout. Bago makaharap ng Thai fighter itong Pinoy Gintong Kamao ay 10 Pinoy boxer na ang kaniyang dinispatcha at tinalo. Pero sa pang-11 Pinoy ay di na uubra ang kanyang tapang at tibay. At kahit gumamit pa ito ng pinagbabawal na estilo sa laban, ay di pa rin umubra sa palaban nating kababayan.
That's low blow after low blow being thrown here.
Another low blow.
And there's gotta be a point deduction coming here.
Alam mo, masyadong mabait itong referee ha.
Pinahiya ni Francisco ang kalaban sa harap mismo ng kanyang mga tagahanga sa bansang Thailand. Muli nating balikan ang laban na kung saan matagumpay na naresbakan ni Gintong Kamao ang 10 Pinoy na tinalo nitong Thai fighter at nagretiro ito diretso matapos matalo.
Laban dito abroad. Drian with some early combinations to the body.
Golden boy na pala ito, no? More than 55.
Oo.
But siyempre, malaking advantage sa kanya na dito sa
Test para dito kay Drian Francisco. And this is probably the biggest one of them all. Drian going to the body early at hinahabol siya dito. Dito si Duwangpitch ko kay Jim.
Pwede itong si Drian, ano? Kung makikita mo, no? Southpaw itong si Duwangpitch. Pero parang hindi niya makita kung saan pupunta si Drian Francisco.
Pull it out. Final seconds of round number 1. Top round. Oh. Drian with a nice jab.
Pero tumama sa katawan si Duwangpitch.
And Duwangpitch. Drian, oh, nice combination there for the Filipino. And you can see that Drian is reaching. Drian has the reach advantage dito. Pero he's really reaching pagdating sa kanyang mga jab. Exactly how far he needs to go to execute his punches.
He's using a very ideal fight plan, ano? Use his left jab, combination, sabay labas.
Oo. From Duwangpitch, so good fight plan. Nice left again from Drian Francisco.
That was a solid uppercut connected by Drian Francisco. And another good right from Drian.
Drian now getting his styling going here. Duwangpitch takes another one, but he also...
Especially in fighting a smaller fighter, ano? Ma-imagine mo yung
aggressor, pero baandan na rin yung counter-punching nito si Duwangpitch ko kay Jim, the hometown boy.
The Thai is being more aggressive, but the thing is, mas maganda yung mga patama nito pagka tumama yun.
It's a low blow. That's a low blow. I don't know if Steve Smoker saw that one. That was a low blow.
Well, this I am saying, you know, Drian is starting to make itong Thai fighter na ma-frustrate sa laban na to. Sa laban na to, so far, I have scored those first 2 rounds in favor of our fighter, Drian Francisco.
Pero yung, again,
Ni Drian is frustrating itong Thai fighter. Ang kagandahan nito is that nawawala sa focus itong Thai opponent ni Drian.
Drian got hit by another low blow that time. It's not called. Now Drian digging to the body. Drian fights his way out of the corner. Drian with a good run.
So is that kuma-counter din siya, no?
Oo.
Tumatama yung Thai ng dalawa sa katawan. Babalik din si Drian ng dalawa sa katawan.
Just got a low blow warning and issued another low blow right there.
Parang bumawi rin si Drian, ha? Mukhang low blow rin. And in some way,
That
low blow.
Another, yun, a damning low blow. That's another one right there. That's about 4 or 5 low blows in this round alone.
Mukhang maraming napanood na.
Yun na naman. I don't know where the low blow territory is para dito kay Steve Smoker.
Check mo nga.
There it is again.
Hindi ba Golota apelido nitong Thai fighter?
Ewan ko. That's low blow after low blow being thrown here.
Another low blow.
And there's gotta be a point deduction coming here.
Alam mo, masyadong mabait itong referee, ha? na si Steve Smolger.
I don't know.
Sa Thai opponent.
Third warning na ba yan? Dapat meron ng point deduction yan at this point, Dennis.
Dapat meron na, no? But, you
Number
know,
of low blows in that third round by Kokay Jim, and he still has not gotten a point deduction. Just a bunch of warnings, Dennis.
alam mo, dapat si Thai fighter.
Rian gets hit in the midsection that time. Those are two clean blows there by Duang.
Basta ginagawa niya lang yung dapat niyang gawin. To throw yung mga clean. Very focused Drian Francisco.
And that was another low blow right there. There should be a point deduction already at this
Alam mo,
point.
the mandatory rest, pero we...
No, there has to be a point deduction dito, Dennis. Ilang warning ay bibigay dito ni Steve Smolger? Drian is na... One last time. Sinabi pa niya one last time. Ilang warnings pa dapat yan?
A few days before the fight, si Drian nagkaroon ng ubo.
Oo. Adjusting to the temperature here and the climate. But he's still continuing to fight. Now Duang Pech on the offensive. Trying to go to the body. Alam natin that Drian can take shots in the midsection.
Walang matibay sa below the belt, no?
Ayan, Drian with his combinations. That's the patented Drian Francisco Diggs.
More impressive. Yung pagiging awkwardness niya, no? Which, alam mo, number of times, it helped him. In a lot of his fight na namang pag-aralan, yung mga tipong sa kanya
look
pala
at this.
nakikita, no?
That's a clinic being shown there by Drian.
Puro low blow ginagawa ng Thai. And the only way for the Thai to do that is to be to have a close encounter with hindi nakapormo ron si Drian. Not because maganda yung ginawa ni Duang Pech. Yun eh dahil sa maraming mga low blows, maraming mga dirty tactics na ginagawa itong Thai fighter. Talagang data, no?
Oh, nice uppercut there from Drian.
I think that's the most effective shots na dapat
Yan na naman.
dito dahil sabi natin, maliit itong Thai.
Opponent only has one. Oh, nice right hand there from Drian. Another uppercut there from Drian Francisco.
And si Duang Pech tumitingin sa kanyang corner.
Oh, another solid uppercut there from Drian. Yan, mukhang binuhos na ni Drian lahat dito sa round number 5. Duang Pech is still standing though.
At ang dami ng laban, ano?
Whoa, yan na naman.
Puro panalo.
That he suffered way back against Dinurog in 2007.
But Suelo is a veteran fighter.
Yes,
Na.
kanina, fired both fighters up, Dennis.
Itong ginagawa ni Drian, ano? Moving out
Yan na
of
naman
harm's
yung low
way,
blow.
low blow.
There's another one right there. There has to be a point deduction now.
Finally.
Finally! Yan! Finally! Dapat pangalawa na niya yan, Dennis.
Look at the face of Duang Pech. Mukhang wala na siya rito sa lugar na to, no?
Well, he's just gotta bring his A-game. Isipin mo naman yung record niya, Dennis, ha? 51
Oh!
Going down! Going down is Duang Pech! And finally, Drian Francisco sends a message to the
Ano
Thailand.
to? Mukhang wala na to. Now Drian will go for the kill. This could be
Pinupuso
the end.
Drian. Hindi bumabato. Oh, nice left hand there coming from Duang Pech. Sends Drian backwards.
Look at how accurate.
Another knockdown! Drian Francisco on the verge of a championship dito.
Drian Francisco.
So there was a point deduction and 2 knockdowns. This is a 10-7 round right now for Drian. It has to be stopped right here. And that is literally saved by the bell, Dennis. Sinundo pa siya ng kanyang trainer. I don't think Duang Pech has what it takes to continue here.
On the shoulders of Duang Pech Kokya Jim. Ito yung
Ayan.
uppercut. Boom!
Boom! Parang welcome to my ring. Kasi ito yung pangalawa. Boom! Hindi na niya kailangan inumin niya. Kailangan maligo na siya sa M150 kung gusto niya. And Jim has to win here by knockout.
Ay, pero mo, ikaw ba naman lumabang kay Drian?
Oo.
Kung titignan mo, sasabi mo, wala sa forma. Pero tinatama in knowing that you're being
Low blow na naman, oh! How many low blows are we going to see here in this bout?
several times. Countless times already. Puro low blows ang tinatanggap ni Drian. Pero nakita mo, hindi nagre-reklamo, ha?
Yung mental na base in Agoncillo, Batangas. Ito po si Drian, namigay na rin ng low blow doon, oh. Pakagutom to make weight. He made weight. He put on a little bit coming into this fight. Not bad like this. The uppercut again. Round 8 scheduled for 12, mga kaibigan. Duang Pets now trying to use his heart.
You know, Brian, for me, is the most exciting, awkward fighter.
Amen to that. Sa harapan ng kanilang Prime Minister.
Correct. Well, tingnan mo yung mga suntok ni Adrian, ano? Nang gagaling sa bewang, ang layo ng pinanggagalingan eh.
Okay, yan na naman tayo. Come on.
So what is that, ref?
It looks like it should be another deduction dito. Third point deduction dito.
Kita mo si Manang, oh, sinasabi, suko na raw.
Suko si Adrian.
Sorry, Mrs.
You can see it, oh. Very
alam mo,
clear. Then,
kita mo, walang point deduction.
that's really strange. Galing na sa ilang warning na point deduction na nag-low blow na naman. Wala na naman point deduction dito.
Number one, the reason kung bakit yung pinagpahinga ng 5 minutes is because low blow yun.
Yes. So once again, we continue here. Drian, another low blow right there. Drian now connects. Drian ginagamit na niya yung kanyang boxing skills. The Filipino is focused. Drian with another uppercut. He's Smoger, our referee, has not earned our respect at all.
Definitely, ano.
So
He is,
many low blows.
He is an international veteran na.
Yes.
Ang mga suntok na naman, malayo nga, pero...
Oh, what a right hand from Drian. Nakatayo pa. Another right hand. That dropped him up.
Na-tie-insert.
Hindi na sumusuntok ito si Kokoy Jim. Drian, it's just a matter of time again for another knockdown. Could this be the third knockdown of the fight?
Na-tie-clinch eh. Rigid ring.
Oo, wala na. Oh, another right hand from Drian. Si Drian is...
Pero parang dumadaan sa S-Lex eh, no?
Another right hand. Final seconds of the ninth. Drian trying to finish off. Knockout. Drian, Dennis.
Well, I think in some ways, still favoring itong Thai fighter. I hate to say it.
Let's hope not, di ba?
For him to call for warnings, 5 warnings.
4 or 5 warnings and only
Just
1 point
deduction.
deduction.
Oh.
Si Duang Pets.
Well, good thing about this is that,
Oy! Duang Pets! I don't know if he can get this. He can get up from this one, and Drian knows it. And finally,
It's over.
Steve Smoger wins it off. We have a new Philippine champion, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan po yung Prime Minister ng Thailand. We have a new world champion from the Philippines, Drian Gintong Kamao Francisco. As he is welcomed there by his manager, Elmer Anuran. What a shot there for Drian Francisco to end the fight in the 10th round. And look at the honor he gives to the Thai people.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.